Hey everybody, Scott here for the Helix channel. It's Monday, and today I am going to share with you a sound that I'm creating, and it's going to have several purposes. One, it's going to be for I'm doing a live radio gig with that prog band, and I wanted to create a fun, unique sound. And then I also want to use this sound as the demo guitar sound for the songs I'm going to be working with the drummer for Y&T. So, because I want a unique sound, I want my guitar to not sound like everybody else. I think this is a pretty good start. It took me about 20 minutes today, so I can probably expand upon it without getting too effect heavy. Shall we? All right, here we are at the Helix. I've got my standard gate-ish. Kinky boost going into line 6, 2204 mod. The kinky boost, when you push the expression forward, will go from 4.4, but the boost will also come on. I like it when the boost comes on the kinky boost. It just gives it a little bit of extra edge and bite. I like it. When you push the expression forward, you get more drive. Oh, I haven't... actually, no, I did set the master and the bias to do the same thing. Things that are going on with the amp, very low bass, mids, and I'm also doing some EQing over here, removing some bottom end and some mid-range, coming down into the pair of Marshall 1982 custom IRs, and one of them is set higher than the other as far as the output tone. Will be a little bit more high end rather than bottom end. And because I'm trying to avoid having too much flubby bottom. It's got plenty of bottom, that's to be sure. But what's the weird fun effects here are the simple pitch. And I'm doing some interesting stuff with it. I've got some delay happening. And when you use the delay on the simple pitch, you get some interesting effects. And I'm using them both just oppositely and then with slightly different delays. Similar mix, similar shift level and all that, but negative 11.6 and positive 11.6, and then with slightly different delays. There's a bit of a room reverb, but not a lot of it. So most of the effect you're hearing is from the pitch shifting. So let me grab a guitar and I'll play this sucker for you. There you go. Oh, good time. Demo tone fun. Tomorrow, the clean sound for these demos, because there's going to be some clean stuff and some heavy stuff, obviously. Pushing the expression forward will give the leads, and hopefully I'm going to modify the expression so that when it goes forward, it does more interesting modulation things as well. I haven't figured that out yet, but I just started today. So, come on back tomorrow. Don't forget, you can still get the Plasticare Helix cover, $79.95. Go to my website. There's a link in the description for my website, or there's a web address, www.scottminch.com. And then go to the homepage, and there's a link to the Plasticare cover, $79.95, shipped in the U.S. If you want one outside the U.S., email me. I'll get a price quote for you for shipping. Also, my Black Friday buy two, get two preset deal is going for 2 more days, today and tomorrow. And that's it. It's the end of the year. No more. And going forward, for the rest of my time between now and the Y&T tour, I'm probably going to do 3 videos a week so that I can concentrate on the demoing of the songs, because I want to have at least 6 songs completely demoed, minus the drums. So I'm going to have click tracks, and the click tracks are going to, it's not just going to be a tick, 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 tick. I'm going to have, there's going to be, different time signatures happening. So I've got to work that whole thing out and figure out how to make a click that does 7/8 time for a bit, and then 5/4, and then 4/4, whatever the fuck, Oh, it's going to be interesting. So that's going to take a lot of my time in the next 3 weeks. But I will be back tomorrow with demo tone number 2. So come on back. I'll see you then. And until then, rock on.